Hi, my name is Janine Diatley, and I'm the Financial Aid Director at Southern State Community College. And I wanted to create a short video to help families complete the financial aid process. I'm going to be explaining a lot of the terms and hope that some information that I give you will be helpful in this process. First of all, I want to explain what financial aid is. It's not only money, but it's money and resources to help families supplement the cost of college. First, we're going to talk about the grant programs. Grants are free and do not have to be repaid. Usually they're given to students based on a need component, and that component is arrived at by completing the free application for federal student aid, which is known as the FAFSA. Scholarships is another type of free financial aid that does not have to be repaid. However, the scholarship is not based on the FAFSA specifically. There are multiple applications that must be filled out for scholarships. A little bit later in the presentation, I'm going to try to give you some good tips on where to look for scholarships, but I will tell you that it is not based just on need. It's not based just on your academic status. It's based on multiple different criteria. The third type of financial aid is called College Work Study. It is a federal program, so therefore the FAFSA form will determine your eligibility for the program. If you are eligible, the college that you plan to attend will let you know of your eligibility, and you can choose if you want to work or not want to work. These are part-time positions on campus. Usually the student will work 15 to 20 hours per week. All institutions are to pay at least minimum wage. At Southern State, we pay most of our students $9 per hour. One of the good things about the work study program is whatever money you earn through the work study program will not count against you when you go to apply for financial aid your second year in school. And then the fourth type of financial aid are student loans, and we all know what the word loans mean. It is monies that do have to be repaid. However, because these are educational loans given by the Department of Education, they have many benefits for a student to take out a loan. The first thing that all schools do is determine what their cost of attendance is. Cost of attendance is the same components at every school, but you will notice that the amounts are different. So the components that enter into what a college cost is tuition and books and supplies, room and board, transportation, and then we also are allowed to give a miscellaneous and personal allowance. So how colleges determine need is we take our cost of attendance, which is different at all colleges. We take your family contribution number that comes from your FAFSA, and we subtract that from the cost, and then that equals need. At that time, the college is set forth trying to meet your need with all of our different types of financial aid. That would be the grants, scholarships, work, and student loans. To apply for financial aid, the first thing that the student has to do is the student and one of the household parents must have a PIN number, which stands for Personal Identification Number, which is the electronic signature. You will use this signature every year when you complete the FAFSA. You will use it when you complete your promissory notes for your student loans. And it will be your access to all of your federal student aid records for the life of your education. So once you get your PIN number, make sure that you keep it in a safe place. When you get ready to complete the FAFSA and you've already gotten your PIN number, you also have to have Social Security numbers for the student and the parent, driver's license of the student, either real or estimated income for the last full previous year, and information about assets. After you have completed the FAFSA form, it is sent to the colleges and we determine your need. Again, based on the formula of cost of attendance minus your family contribution equals your need. And at that point, we will determine first how much free aid we can give you if you're eligible for work study and you want to work, and then how much student loans you may get. If you're looking at more than one college, you will receive more than one financial aid offer. It's a good idea to accept all of the offers until you know for sure where you're going to go. Once you decide which campus you plan to attend, then please contact the other campuses and decline the financial aid offers at that point. Scholarships are found in multiple places. The first place to look is going to be through the college itself. So it's up to the student to go to the website of the colleges that they're looking at and find out how to apply for scholarships, when the deadline is, and what documentation is required. Most scholarship applications require a copy of your official high school transcript, which you can get from your guidance counselor. Lots of times they will want a letter of recommendation. You can get that from anybody. And also they will require you to either have a personal statement, an essay, or a resume. I have provided for you a list of several national scholarship search engines that you can use to look for national scholarships. These websites have been given to us schools by the Department of Education because they have been researched, they are free, they are valid, and they will not sell your information to other locations. I hope this has been helpful to you. However, if you need help, whether you're coming to Southern State or not, you can always call us at 1-800-628-7722 at extension 2610, and we'll be glad to help you with the process. Thanks and have a great day.